Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to turn off Instagram calls. So first of all, just go ahead right here and enter the Instagram app. And if you want to turn off like a specific for a specific person that might, that maybe he's annoying you with these calls and all that, and you want to mute them, click on your DMs at the top right and click on their chats, right? And basically what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and click their name at the top and basically hit mute right here. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and hit mute calls. But if you want generally to mute calls on your Instagram, especially the video calls, just get back to your main feed. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna click on my profile at the below right corner, click on the three bars at the top right, and just go ahead to your settings. In the settings, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just click right here the notifications, and you're gonna see all the settings. Just go ahead right here and click the calls tool, and from here what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and just turn it off right here, especially the video chats, right? And incoming video chats from that specific person. Okay, let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.